Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to tie gele with pin, around gele. So this is the pin I'll be working with, and the gele I'll be using, Asoke I'll be using to tie the gele. So I'll place the gele on my dummy, then create some pleats. Like you can create 4 to 5 pleats to 6 depending on the pleats or how many pleats that you would want to use. So I'll go ahead and arrange my pleats, then arrange it. If you don't arrange your pleats, it will not align straight with each other. So you go ahead and arrange your pleats. The beauty of this gele is here while arranging the base of your work. So as you go ahead and arrange your pleats, you go ahead and also drag your pleats, drag it down to the right part. Here I'm creating an allowance, but here, like if you make it for someone, putting this allowance, creating this allowance is going to help the person to adjust it on the person's head to the size of the person's head. That's the essence of creating allowance on something like this, just allowance like this. So I'll go ahead and also turn on my gele, turn it like this and hide it there, then turn the other side and place it on the base. There is a place that you are supposed to pin when you are making a round shape. I'm going to show you there, and that's right there. That's where you're going to pin your gele down. Pin it down here, then come to the other side of the gele and also pin it down. You see that center I'm resting my hand, you can also pin it there. That's it. Okay, that center, you see that center there, you can also pin it there, because I also pin my own there. It's not going to show, just an invisible pin. Use it and pin it there. So I'll go ahead and also start arranging my gele. Start pleating. You start from the back or you start pleating, depends on the style that you want to choose. But if you are a beginner, it's best to watch this video to the end. The video is beginner friendly. If you are a beginner, you watch my video critically, watch it very well, you are going to understand how I pleat this gele. If you have come to the part of this lecture, this tutorial, or whatever you can call it, this video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Turn on your notification so that each time I post a video, you'll be first to be notified. Yes, it will notify you immediately. This is me arranging my pleats, making it to stand up. It depends on what or how you want your own to be. If you want it to be high, this is where you play the magic. You drag it up with your left hand, just drag it up like this. You drag it up, or if you want it to come down, it depends on the size that the person asks you to do for her. If the person asks you to do it to be down, just moderate, leave it like this. But if the person asks you to do it to make it to go up, that's how you saw when I was dragging the pleats up. You drag it up, you come back, drag it. I'm dragging it right now. Drag it, come down, drag it, come down. Be watching the video, you will understand it. At first attempt, if you did not understand this video, you can rewatch the video. You can rewatch it. Tying it at back depends on the style that you want to tie. You can fold and pin it down, or bring the other side and the other side, then tie it together. Join it with a knot or pin it down. But for me, you can see I'm pinning and just tying it down, because I prefer it this way. My customer said that she prefer it this way, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Some customers will come and tell you that you don't want pin. It means that you're going to tie it all together. Then if this ask you to use pin, you can use pin to do any magic that you feel like. Then when your gele is done, you are going to use pin to arrange your gele. Use pin to hold it down. Use pin to hold it and make it firm. When the person is done using it, she can go ahead and remove the pins.
Stories living in soft light. Every story softly told. New adventures glimmer gold.
Our work is almost done.
Place to be so free.
I hope you learned something good on this tutorial. Please remember to like, comment and share. Show your friends. Tell them to come and see how to tie a gele. A simple gele is very simple. Tying of gele is very simple. It depends on how you place your hand, how you command your hand to go, and also how your customer wants it to be. Then with the magic that you're going to use your hand to create on somebody's head, placing the gele on the person's head, the person is going to come back. This is the outcome. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Nighttime stories, whispered dreams. In moon's glow world it gleams. Stars above.